What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I am suffering from the Pfizer shot right now. And I want to reveal to you a new real estate investment trust that I'm buying tomorrow. I really like it. I'm going to explain to you why I'm buying them. It's less than $20. I'm going to go over the distribution, and these guys are making a comeback. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this out right now. This dividend stock is Global Medical REIT. It's sitting at 1010, a dividend yield at 8.32%. Whoa! I'll go over why I like these guys and why I'm buying them. Against the S&P in the past 5 years, it's done decent. PE ratio is 52.76, average volume 319.45K. Market cap is $661.73 million US dollars. Year range was 1006 to 1851. Its day range was 1010 to 1037, and its previous close was 1016. So I'll show you why I like these guys and why I'm buying them tomorrow. So first, their investment strategy is tenacious and disciplined. They aim to deliver attractive risk-adjusted returns by investing in quality healthcare properties. We target properties operated by profitable healthcare systems or physician groups at the forefront of delivering the need of care in their communities. So I'm going to go over their strategy. They have a distinct approach rooted in their knowledge of industry and their hardworking team, bolstered by strong demographics and favorable healthcare delivery trends. So the disciplined market, they look at bedroom communities, secondary markets with favorable demand drivers, positioned to benefit from decentralization trends. They uncover high retention, patient-centric acquisition opportunities, sustainable cash flows, and attractive lease coverage ratios. So there's a few other things. They have rigorous tenant and facility identification, healthcare systems and physician groups with a strong regional footprint, essential or mission critical services, off-campus and purpose-built. Their long-term triple net leases, annualized rent escalations. So let's go over their portfolio. So I used to have these guys, but then I'm starting to rebuy them, and I'm going to explain to you why. I didn't have enough time to do all their digging, but their overview is 181 buildings, 315 leases, 2.1% average rent escalation. They have 20 buildings in the Northeast, 53 in the Midwest, 29 Central, and 19 buildings in the West, and 60 buildings in the South. So I'm going to go over all their properties. So in their portfolio, they have LTAC. So they have surgery centers, ambulatory surgery centers, medical office buildings, inpatient rehab facilities. So Select is a big company. ASC, this is in Asheville, North Carolina. Pennsylvania, they have a medical office building. Inpatient facility over here in Georgia. They have a surgical hospital. So they have a lot of, you can see a lot of these medical offices. Fresenius, this is, so I'm doing my nephrology rotation, and I'm in CDC, but Fresenius is a huge company for dialysis. And then they have acute hospitals. So they have a lot of, there's a specialty hospital, and they have a lot of stuff here. And these people are paying rent. Here's a plasma center. So they have, with all their facilities, these people are, here's another Fresenius. So this is their portfolio. Now they're going to go for revenue, because revenue is big. And I'm going to show you their revenue and their dividend trends. And I'm excited about their dividend trends. So let's check this out. So check out this revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2015, it was 206. 2016, $8.02. 2017, 30. 2018, 53. 2019, 70. 2020, 93. 2021, 115. So from 2015 to 2021, a huge jump in revenue. I like that. They're a little bit smaller and they're starting to get bigger, and I'll even show you that. So here's their investment activity. During the first quarter of 2022, the company completed 4 acquisitions, encompassing an aggregate of 80,781 leasable square feet for an aggregate purchase price of $24.0 million as a weighted average cap rate of 7.2%. Since April 21st, since April 1st, 2022, the company completed 2 acquisitions encompassing the aggregate of 73,358 leasable square feet for an aggregate purchase price of $29.9 million at a weighted average cap rate of 6.5%. As of May 2nd, 2022, the company had 4 properties under contract for an aggregate purchase price of $52.6 million. These properties are currently in the due diligence period. We can make no assurances that these acquisitions will close on a timely basis at all. So as of May 2nd, 2022, the company continued to have 1 property under contract to sell for gross proceeds of $44.6 million. The transaction is expected to be completed no earlier than September 2022. The transaction is subject to various closing contingencies, and accordingly, it may not close on a timely basis at all. The company intends to reinvest the sales proceeds in future acquisitions. So, these guys are starting to get active. So the revenue looks good. And let's go over their dividend history. So 2016, they were 9 cents. Then 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020, they were 20 cents. They just sat there flat. But guess what? They're hiking their dividend now in 2021. So sure, the payout ratio is 87%. The annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 0.89%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 2. The yield may be high, but I like the dividend hikes. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but I like the trends. And I think that these guys have a lot of potential. So that's why I'm buying these guys tomorrow. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to do one on a REIT tomorrow that's really cheap. And that one might be an experiment. Maybe $100, $200 and see what happens. So I'm going to go over that one in my next video. So make sure you check out my traditional IRA that I created. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. You guys take care and have a good one.